Alright, good morning. Ang atong topic, this is chapter 8. Actually, chapter 8 is medyo maka-intrigue po ko aning aspects sa study on entrepreneurship because it will deal more on kasi attitude sa kuan entrepreneurs when it comes to risk, no? So, this section examines the various research findings and including my own research regarding the measurement, differentiation, and determination of the impact of risk attitudes on the entry and growth and success of the firms. Ako'y nakita nga mga research studies, pero so far ang pinaka-latest na kuha na ko is 2017. It is a study of Asterbo, no? Et al. Nga they found out na nga over half of startups sa garagin ng mga startup are no longer operating after 6 years. This is a research study conducted by Asterbo and others in 2017, and then they found out nga 75% na nga nag-exit wala nag-equity. Now makita ni mga kasagara po aning mga startup dili kasagara pero quite a number of them actually are franchise, no? Kapalit og franchise nag-iuban sa ilang nga ni-exit without equity. But some of those actually are during the COVID mato. That was something around sa tong year. COVID mato siya nga period. So nahapay gid lugar gito, no? Nahapay. Pero at any rate sa 2017 mo ni nakita ni Asterbo over half of the startups are no longer operating after 6 years. So kung nag-start ka 2026, most likely ang mga startups do not operate anymore, and then 75 of those not operating walay equity na bilin. Nahapay gino ganon, hapay. So another is si Frank Knight in 1921, he proposed that actually nili man siya proposal, marami siyang theory. He theorized that successful entrepreneurs daw, katong successful of course, possesses the ability to measure the probability of the future outcome, no, of risk as opposed to the uncertainty where future outcomes are difficult to determine. For example, makita nimo sa mga existing na lugar, no, successful entrepreneurs over diversification of their portfolios, no, diversification of portfolios, which means nga if you are familiar with the standard deviation sa statistics or variance, kuhaon nila ang kada isa silang portfolio, that is tantamount actually of reducing the risk. Daghang kay mga portfolio pero tanawon nimo dito ilang different variances, makita nimo dito unsa ka risky, unsa nga portfolio nga risky. In that case, it's one way of reducing the real risk, no, in business. And then another is si Killstorm. I think ang Killstorm man siguro ni Lafont. This was introduced in 1980. They developed a model linking risk aversion who become employees and low risk aversion for those who become an entrepreneur. So makita ni mo ni siya. I think this is from Killstorm and Lafont, no. Muna siya nga curve ang risk seeking, no. Muna siya ang risk seeking, muna siya ang mga risk averse. Now For risk-seeking person, the expected utility function is y is equal to x raised to the power of 2. So a person, I will give you some my actual study, my actual study. So in this case, I'm using an example where a person has 50 pesos and the probability of gaining is 100. Pero na-study nga. Na-study nga. More gihapon, I started with 50 pesos and then end up with dayon up to 200. So, muna siya ang kuan. So, kung mag-gamble ang tao, let's say this is a gamble. This is a gamble. Okay. What is the expected utility of gambling 50 pesos is equal to 50 raised to the power square is 2,500. Okay? So, the expected utility of gambling the 50 square is 2,500, and the expected utility of gaining is 100 square and 1/2 of that. So, nasa 5,000, no? That is 10,000 divided by 2. Okay, 10,000 divided by 2, that is 5,000. That is if a person loses the game, loses the gamble. So in this case, since 5,000 is larger than 2,500, which is this one, ang risk-seeking person, kung mag-take og risk gid ang tao, will gamble his money worth 50 pesos. Okay? Now, giina nato sa depende man sa iyang utility. Naman sa tayo tao nga risk averse, talikay o risk. Napoy tao nga risk neutral. So, if the person is risk neutral, then the function is linear. That is 1/2 times x, and the expected utility of not to gamble is 1/2 of 50 is 25. And the expected utility of gambling the 50 is 1/2 of 1/2 of 100. 1/2 and 1/2 of 50 is also 25. In other words, kung tanawin mo ang risk neutral, it's the boundary between risk-seeking and risk-averse, which is 25 pesos. Muna siya worth. Now, there are studies that was conducted later in 2005. Okay. 5,000 graduates ni siya. I do not know unsa ni nga course. Basta kay graduates, college graduates. Conducted by Lazier in 2005. And then, he found out that the first job selected, ang unang trabaho nga gi-select nila is positively correlated with the probability of entering later into entrepreneurship. Sa to pa, ang ilang sweldo nga gibasihan sa ilang first job selection is related dito sa chances of becoming an entrepreneur. Mo lugar ginang gitawag nimo og alternative in case nga dawaton sila sa ilang first job, tanaw nila ang ilang salary, and that salary is related sa ilang most likelihood of becoming an entrepreneur. Sounds great ba? No? Nga na din, no? Kada day mga bag-ong nga graduates, mugo apply na sila. Ang ilang katanahon is, that is not the final. Ang ilang katanahon na ilang gauge, pa lugar, ang ilang kitaon kung mag-entrepreneur instead. Okay? And then, here comes another study by Hall and Woodward. nakita po ni Hall of ni Woodward nga ang risk attitude sa entrepreneurs and risk attitude of managers are not really conclusive because of the sample size. Sample size which is small, no? Gamay kayo ang sample size. Siguro, ikaduha, multidimensional ang mga concept like, for example, the concept of uncertainty and risk. For example, kung unsay diferensya sa risk. Ang definition ko sa risk is when you lack information because you lack information, kulang ang imong information, then you decide on a risky manner. So risky. While kung uncertain ka, wala gi information, mo gitawag og uncertainty. Na kung imong tanawon na siya sa actual good, there is a composite of attitude of a single person. So sa katao, pwede risky, pwede uncertainty, pwede certainty, pwede po risky. So makita nimo nga, wait a minute, there is a multidimensionality on the attitude of the entrepreneurs and managers, no? And then here comes my own study. Ako giningitan, okay. Marakulang man ang literature good, no? So ordinarily, muna siya atong conceptual level, no? Kung risk averse ang tao, galikay ang tao og risk, no? Ingani ang hitsura sa curve. Muna hitsura sa curve, no? Muna siya. And then the line below, muna siya ang imong expected utility. Kung mugambol ka, ang mga risk averse individual is this one, no? Kani siya nga curve, no? Y is equals to 0.5. Whereas kung risk seeking, muna siya nga curve, which is greater, of course. 1 is equal to x square. So, muna expected utility, muna siya. So, kay taas man siya, this is greater than this one. Necessarily, dinigid ang risk averse individual mo choose sa ilang investment, no? Rather than this one, which is 0.0913x, okay? To 0, actually 0 naman na siya. However, if you are a risk-seeking individual person, muna ang imong function, utility function, y is equal to x square. So, taas po ang imong expected utility, which is equal to 79.10. Kini siya, muna siyang actual na kong study, no? Ni actual na study, which is 0.9616. Now, by the way, tanaw sa nato ang mga socio-demographic. Just to mention a few, no? Kasagara gid sa participants are risk-seeking. Kay sagara sa ila 70.7% are risk-seeking individuals, while 29.3% are risk-averse individuals. Kasagara magid ani ang mga participants are female, no? Female dili kayo ga risk, no? I don't know, no? Dili mo tanaw sa gender specific nga Pero this is what the study all about, no? And then, majority of the participants, majority of the respondents, panalitan, are optimistic. Usually, mo magandang attitude sa mga college grad, mga college people. They are extravagant and they are very optimistic that they can get a job after awards, no? 63.3% are optimistic. And majority of them are first year. First year, 49.1%. And then, kasagara business students, 54.4%, no? So, mo ni siya, no? Ang labas, we were able to map their attitude. Mo ni nahitabo. Mo nila attitude. This one. Mo nilang risk attitude. From 50 down to 95. Dayon, pag-abot sa 95, nag-nose dive dayon na. Hindi din sila willing mo gamble pag-abot sa 95. Okay? Pag-abot sa 95, dili na sila mo gamble ka nag-nose dive naman siya. So, kung i-graph ni mo ni siyang equation. So, from theoretical, which is 1x square, i-equate din ako sa actual nga expected utility of 80.6 plus 1,378. So, around sa actual willing sila mo gamble up to 95 pesos. But afterwards, dili na sila mo gamble. No? Muna siya ang hitsura sa graph. No? Muna ang dagway sa ilang graph. Muna actual. Mo intersect sa 95. Muna sila ang 120. So, instead nga kani ang ilang expected utility, ang expected utility nila is this one. Which is this one, no? Which is 80.6 plus 1,378. And this has a core, gitawag niyo mo siya o fit. Base of fit niya is 0.96666 or 97% accurate. So, medyo accurate ni siya rin, no? Accurate ni siya. By how much? By 97%. So, that's it, no? So, actually, ang study namon, nagpakita nga, a person can be risk-taking at the same time can be risk-averse. Meaning to say, it all depends on the amount of money being gambled. So from the level of the participants, kay estudyante man sila, kanang 100 or 95, siguro sa ilaw medyo kaya nila. Up to 95 pesos, mo gamble sila, pero mag-nose dive afterwards. So, from 50 to 95, dili kay sila gagambol sila, pero makita ni mga they are risk averse. Gamay ra zero ang posibilidad nga, gamay ra ang portion sa ila participants nga mo gambol, gamay ra ang mga risk seeking individuals. Pero makita ni mo din nga kasagara gid sa ila giga-risk, no? Ang question magid is, if you have 50, will you gamble? Kaya mong kwarta mo quadruple. So, from 100, nahimo to, from 50, nahimo siyang 200. And the probability of winning is 1/2, 50%. Willing man sila. Pero, up to 95 pesos. dili na sila willing up to 120. Mo dako naman ang risk, dako na ilang pilihon. So you see, the study only points to possibility nga dili tanan mga daredevil mo take og risk. Kasagara gid estudyante ay balay na lang. Doon na gitawag na mo rationality, no? Rationality.